Now, you'll be familiar that Google My Business has offers, and this is one of the most useful ways of engaging new customers to come to your business. But you'll be aware of the main way to do an offer. But you know there's a hidden offer too that the majority of people have never seen before. And I'm going to show you what that offer is and how you can optimize it later on in the video. But first of all, let's just consider for a moment, how can you write a good offer on Google My Business, one that's going to work, get you new business and new traffic. I'm going to head over to my Google My Business listings. If you've got your shortcut here, your Google My Business, you can actually bring it to the top. So if you find you're always using it, then just bring it to the top and then you can click on it and it will be there then in the top. So to make an offer, you just click on posts and then you can view what offers you've done in the past by going to offers, which is one I've just written a moment ago, which is this offer here, where they can fill out a coupon. They can redeem it online and they get 5% off on a discount for speaking out their website. But you can go through and see other offers as well, free GMB reviews, that's doing a valid offer that ended last year. So you can look back and you might want to just reinvent an offer, perhaps do it again each year on an annual basis. That's one way to do it. But the other thing is if you just want to do a new offer, you can click on add offer and then it's a case of adding the image, very similar to adding a what's new update. But the difference is when you put your title, you may want to just think about the headline. And then you can also add an expiry time and expiry date as well. And then if you want more options, you can put the offer details. You can put the code. So you saw how I put the Zanet was a code. You can even have a link through to where they can get the offer. So it could be on your website or a landing page. And also you can have a terms and conditions page. So there's a lot more involved here in putting together an offer. Now you're probably familiar with this. I've put a few videos together, a bit more detail. So if you do really want to go through this, then I'll put a link ahead above now that will take you through to how to do that. When you've got an offer, you can go in and edit it as well. So you can actually change the dates if you wanted to. You can change the headlines and so on. So that's another option there. You can add a new image. So it's not like you're stuck with that offer. You can make some changes to it. And you notice also the other thing you can do is you can see what it looks like to customers. So if someone was to now come across my offer, that's what they would see. So I can get an idea. And again, you've got a little tag here that shows it's an offer. So lots of ways in which you can get into the minds of your visitors. And you'll notice the offer shows up here as well on my knowledge panel. So when it comes to writing an offer, just think about the intent of the user. What would sound appealing in the headline to a person that you're looking for to take up that offer? Also, it's good to trial something. And if it doesn't work, try something different. Find an offer that seems to work well for your clients. Also, you can get some tips by looking around at the shops and see how they do their offers. Is a percentage offer better than £10 off? You could try both. Percentages seem to work quite well when it comes to Google My Business offers. In fact, here's a few offers you might want to try. Free shipping is a good offer if they go for a certain landing page. A promo code, well, I've shown you a few of those already. Percentages, they tend to work the best on Google My Business. And a special price. You could just say for people that are coming in, then they get this price if they come through my Google My Business landing page. And then if you're a shop, so you're a physical shop when you get physical people turning up from Google Maps and your Google My Business listing, then you could do an offer like this. Come in and say hello for a free coffee. And what you're doing then is you're getting a one-to-one, an interaction with potentially new customers that have seen you on Google Maps that perhaps haven't been in the shop before. Once people are in the shop, well, then you have an opportunity to show them your services and your products. If you have a e-commerce website, perhaps you're using WooCommerce or Shopify, then you can do coupons on there and you could use that coupon and put that as an offer through the Google My Business post mechanism. And of course, if you have a landing page for them to redeem the offer, then you may want to make it so that you then add analytics to see how successful that's been. You could even have it where they just need to show on their phone when they walk into the shop that they've got that offer, they've got that coupon, and that just means people get in the shop. So don't always think that they have to have printed it off and cut it out and then produce it on a printed piece of paper, but just a PDF on your phone is good enough. The point is you're almost prepared to give it to people just by them interacting with your Google My Business listing. Now remember, if they interact with the offer, they've given a positive signal to Google, and that in itself will help rank your Google My Business listing. So some questions to ask yourself about offers is, what offers have worked on you? Because you can replicate that then within your business. If it's worked on you, it works on people. Are there offers that are working for your competitors? So check out your competitors. You can go to their business sites. I've put a good video that shows you how you can find other competitors and see what's on their sites when it comes to their offers. And what would be a really great offer? Why not treat your customers to a really great offer? So here's that second offer I mentioned, and this is really only can be found if you use the app. So if you log into your Google My Business listing, and you'll notice then you've got customers here, click on customers, and then you've got followers, click on that. You may need to enable this if it's not been enabled already, so you can get messages and you get this working on your Google My Business app on your mobile or on your tablet. And then it's just a case of Google's trying to get people to follow you as well. So it's a bit like Twitter, a bit like Facebook, a bit more of a social media type of thing, that you can give an offer to those that follow you. So if you click on here, you'll see about followers. Customers can follow your business and you can then update them with special offers as well. How it works, well, again, you notice it's only on your phone or tablet at the moment. And then you just go to customers and followers, which is what we've done. So you go to customers, followers, and then create welcome offer. And this is going to be an exact same format where you can add a photo, you can add a headline, a description, a coupon code, a website link, terms and conditions, but only new followers will see this offer. So this is going to be something exclusive. It's not like the one you've done on your general post where you do it to an offer for anyone that visits. This is for just people that want to follow you. So it's an incentive to follow you, to get a special offer. And then of course it means then you can build a kind of database of communication and engagement with those that want to follow your business. So a nice little tip here that most people haven't seen. So what can you do at the end of today's then discussion on offers? Well, we've been giving you 2 ways in which you can produce offers, and I've given you plenty of ideas of what types of offers you can do. Of course, one of the quotes I've often said to people that I work with is an offer of desperation will need more than a deodorant. But these are the things to perhaps take away now from today's video. So today what you can do is you can add an offer and post it now, but do it the one that's worked in the past. So go back through your offers and see which ones produced the best results and do that again, repeat it. Secondly, think in terms of tasters in a supermarket. So by giving something free or giving something away, it can actually end up producing better results long term. So tasters in a supermarket, maybe they give you a lump of cheese with a cracker, but you end up buying the cheese. So sometimes you do need to give things away, and giving brings in results. And finally, think of an offer discount that's going to be ideal for new followers. Get some loyalty. Maybe that's an area that Google's going to really reward in the next few years. So if you can get ahead of the game now, you might find that really gives your business a boost in the coming weeks ahead. So think of an offer, get followers, and see whether Google really rewards that. But there is definitely something that really excites Google's algorithm at the moment, and something that we all do, but few do well. And that's what we're going to learn tomorrow about photographs, how to add photographs to get great traffic in Google My Business. I'll see you then.